follow you through into Spider-Man, you need to understand what is about to happen. He have no choice but to end you. No! Papyrus, please come back to us. I don't want to do this.
You will kill what is your come here.
You don't need to know our things.
Let me give you the job. Then if you